Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am showcasing for you guys the Jujubee Encore Tote. So this was just released this weekend. I think it was Friday or a little bit before that here in Canada. It looks like they're trying to go into a discount or, a line that's more accessible for more people. And this is their first of perhaps many bags to do that. So it is the Jujubee Encore Tote bag, and it's found at Walmart at the moment. It has a cute print. I absolutely love this print. I've been using it for a few days and actually taking it out as my main bag even without children, and I'm loving it. So in the front pocket, it's just like a deep drop pocket, and it has a key leash and a couple of like loose pockets. So smaller one here, another small one here, and then a big one there. And this is just great for dropping receipts or anything that you need to hang on to but aren't terribly worried about. It doesn't have anything except like a little button closure, so it might be a little tricky keeping things in there. The bag does come with these D-rings for hanging on your stroller or adding a messenger strap, which is kind of nice. The bag comes with some stroller clips, which is really thoughtful of them. So you can definitely hang it on your stroller right from the get-go. It's got this sort of seatbelt webbing strap and I wouldn't call it padding, but a little bit of extra, fabric to sit on your shoulder. The length of these straps are perfect. I'm about 5'6", 5'7", and these just sit on my shoulders so nicely. I really, really like the length of the straps. In the back here, it's just another one of the drop pockets with a snap closure, and there aren't any pockets or anything in there. And it comes with this little like media pocket, so it's great for your cell phone. It's lined, or even a camera. If you have like a small digital camera that you carry around, that would be a great pocket for that. And the neat thing is that the two outside pockets sort of go all the way around the bag and join on the sides, so you can really fill them up quite a bit. So the inside has this like closure here, so it'll zip closed if you need it to, and if not, it just lays really nicely inside the bag, so you can just have like a catch-all for everything you drop in there. At the back, it's got one little drop pocket and two insulated bottle pockets. I don't know how effective these would be because, as you can see, it's only one side is insulated. So Jujubee is usually really thoughtful, but this didn't make a whole lot of sense to me. I guess they're just trying to cut down on bulk and weight of the bag, but neither of the pockets are fully lined, so your bottles are not going to stay cold or hot or whatever temperature using that method. The inside has a nice deep interior, and then two mesh pockets, as Jujubee is always known for, on the sides. So that's it. That's the bag. That's a basic look at what you're getting for this Encore Tote. It's got the Jujubee symbol here, and I just really like it. The fabric is almost like the fabric you get on the Be Quick or the large, like the set pieces. And everything is still really well done. Like, as you can see, like the straps are sewn really well and reinforced across the top. So I really wouldn't think that this bag is going to fall apart on you. And I've been able to stuff most everything from my BFF into this bag. The only problem is that it gets heavy quickly. Like, it's very lightweight, and so that's really nice, but it gets heavy quickly, especially when it doesn't have like backpack straps or a padded strap or anything like that. But I am loving this bag. I have abandoned all the rest. They're hanging in the closet, and I am using this as my everyday go-to bag and just absolutely loving it. It does come in another print. this print, a black and white like floral print, and like an all black print. But I really like this. I think it's Midnight Posy that they're calling it. But I'm really, really, really into this bag. If you want to see where you can find one below, I'll link to where they're selling. Hopefully I can find somewhere online that they're selling them and link for you guys. Otherwise, just head to your local Walmart or give them a call and see what they have in stock. I'll post another video shortly about packing it for me, and then I'll post one for packing it for 2 kids. I have a 3-year-old and a 1.5-year-old. So I do bring lots of stuff like water bottles and diapers and all that kind of stuff. So you'll see how well it packs that way, even with cloth diapers. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and again, subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified when I post those other videos. Bye!